Hello and welcome back to another AIC how-to video. So in this video we are going to be looking at when we're doing mass deliveries on sales orders, how we can group them. Okay, so once you're logged into Sage X3, first what we're going to take a look at is what has been set up on the specific customer. Okay, so it's common data, BPs, and customers. So the two customers that I used in my example was ZA2 and ZA4. So in 2, when I go to my commercials tab, you have this tick box, 1 order per delivery. So the moment that this is ticked, that means that every sales order that you have, if you ran the mass validation, the mass delivery function, it will create 1 delivery per order. And when I go click on number 4, I've unticked this, 1 order per delivery. So what will happen here is all of my open orders will get grouped into 1 delivery if I use this setup. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. So I'm going to go out of here, just quickly show you what that looks like. So let's go into a sales order. So I go to my navigation page, sales and orders. Underneath my sales orders, I'm going to filter for ZA002 and I'm going to look for today's date, and here we go. So these are some of the sales orders that I've created, and as I scroll down you will see that this defaults from the setup of that customer. So over here you will see 1 order per delivery, and that has been ticked. Just note that I can override the default setup as I can do with anything else. So with the payment terms or anything on here or the tax rules, I can change the defaults, but this is what will default from the setup. So if I go to ZA4 for my example, you will see that that is not ticked. Okay, so let's see what happens when I actually go and use that mass generation of delivery function. So I go back to my navigation page, sales, underneath deliveries we've got the order delivery generation. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to select my company, I'm going to select my specific site, and over here I would like to see all my shipments up until the specific date. I have to look at orders. This is my delivery type that I'm going to use. This also applies to loan orders and loan deliveries. Then I'm going to specify only my customer. I can add an order range if I'd like, but over here I'm just going to add my customer. So let's say ZA002, ZA002, and then I'm going to click OK. It's just worth mentioning, if I click delivery validation button, that will create deliveries that is already validated. So that is great. So I don't have to go back and run the validation function. These deliveries will then already be validated. I'm not going to select that, however, for this example. So I'm going to click on OK. And there we go. You will be given this log reading, and as you scroll down over here we can see that this sales order created that delivery. This sales order created that delivery. Delivery number 51. That sales order created delivery number 52, and that sales order created delivery number 53. So I'm just going to copy that. Let's just have a quick look at that specific delivery. So sales, deliveries. On that specific delivery, and we can see it is that single line that pulled through. And if I click on my journal traceability and I go upstream from my journal traceability, I can see it's linked to that specific order. Okay, so now we're going to do ZA04 for the same example, but remember the setup was different there, so we're expecting this to group now. So underneath deliveries, order delivery generation, select my company, select my site, and select my customer, ZA004 to ZA004. Still not going to select that. Remember, you can create validated deliveries, and I'm going to click on OK, and Sage will run, giving me a log reading. And on this specific log reading, you can see that this order 77, 78, 79 and 80 has all been grouped onto this specific delivery. So that is a way for you to either have one order per delivery or multiple orders on one delivery when you generate it like that. I just like to show you that specific delivery that was just created. On the deliveries, and there you can see all 4 of them are there. And when I click on my journal traceability and I go and if I go on my upstream to look backwards, you will see all of these orders has been linked on this specific delivery. Thank you for watching. If you'd like more videos like this, please follow us, like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.